In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion's conditional formatting. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned Notion user, learning how to leverage conditional formatting can significantly enhance the clarity and visual appeal of your databases. It also helps to improve the organization of your projects by making critical information pop out at a glance. First, you need to open your Notion page where you want to apply conditional formatting. Make sure you are on the page that contains the database you intend to enhance. Notion's interface makes navigating between pages a breeze, but ensure you're in the right spot to streamline your workflow and avoid distractions. Once on your page, focus on your database. Conditional formatting works best with data that's structured, and such formatting will need a select or status property in your database. To include one, simply click on the column you want to modify or add a new column if needed. The choice between select or status might depend on the nature of your data. Select is great for more diverse categories, while status offers simplicity, particularly if you are tracking progress or completion. Now, it's time to create your options. When you add a select or status property, it allows you to define specific categories or states that match your requirements. Tailor these options to reflect the aspects you're working with. For instance, if you're tracking projects, your options might include in progress, completed, or pending. Feel free to be as detailed or as succinct as is necessary for your workflow. With your options set, the colors assigned to each category can make it visually intuitive. To change the color, click on Edit Property in the column header. This is where Notion really shines in customization. You can assign different colors to different options, making it easy to visually distinguish between them. Perhaps completed could be green to indicate success. In progress could be yellow to show caution or ongoing work, and pending might be read as an alert for action needed. Play around with these color options to see what makes the most sense for your data and visual preferences. Once you've set this up, step back and take a look at your database. The colors should now help you quickly identify the status or category of any given row in your database. This visual aid is not just about aesthetics. It's a functional improvement that allows for quicker data analysis and helps reduce the potential for oversight. There you have it, a straightforward way to apply conditional formatting in Notion. With your database now color-coded and categorized, not only is your information more organized, but it also becomes significantly easier to manage and analyze. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your productivity with Notion. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!